Hi, I'm your friend Emma. I'm sharing some blushes I'm using every day and actually worth buying. So if you like K-beauty and looking for blush options, this video is right for you. The first blushes are these Periperas. I've got 3 of them and the price is amazing. Number 1, Calm Pink. A little bit of beige color inside of this, so I think if you're a warm tone and if you're looking for pink blushers, this is gonna be a nice option. Definitely it has more like brownish or like peach tone. The name of the product is very cute. 집 밖은 위험해. As its name implies, it's very muted color pink. This one is very nice for your everyday makeup. It also goes well with rose color eyeshadows. And this one is more cool tone pink. Color is 27 strawberry pink. You can see a strawberry milk type of color. This color is on my cheeks. It gives a nice cheerful look and makes me look young. And I was born in 1991, so I don't know my international age, 34 or 5. Yeah, but it actually makes me look young. So if you like pink shadows and pink lipstick, I really recommend these blushes. It matches pretty well with any types of pink eyeshadows and it lasts pretty long. So I highly recommend this color. The other color is also pink, but the shade is also different. You can see 11 Picnic Pink. It also for warm tone skin and it has less pink compared to the previous one. So it's more in the middle of peach and pink. Although I do peach makeup, I use this one too. Yeah, so I also want to introduce this blush, lilybyred Luv Beam Cheek Balm. The case is so cute. It says it's a peach color. The name of the color is 복숭beam number 6, like peach color, but actually it looks more like pink on my face, like warm tone pink. In the terms of texture, it's not that soft. It's a little bit powdery and it has more like milk tone in it. If you apply this one on your cheeks, it becomes powdery. I like to use this one as a base, and after applying this, I use the powder blushes like the Peripera ones. The next one is for more like a rose beige color. If you like more mature and ladies look, it's gonna be a great option. Brownish rosy pink tone color, you can see. Very suitable for your everyday makeup. It's a little bit more expensive compared to the previous ones. I was into kind of rosy makeup and that kind of makeup really suits well with beige and rose colored blushes, so I use this one a lot. After finishing this product, I'm definitely buying a new one. It's like a beautiful beige and rosy pink tone in it, so you're not gonna be tired of this color. So most of my blushes has pink tone in it, and I also want to try lavender one, so I got this blush. It's Lost blush. The color is number 6 Rose Blossom. Yeah, it looks like rose and lavender color. The color is very obvious. You don't need that much product of this, just one stroke that makes your cheek turning red. Yeah, so you have to be careful. I'm not sure you're familiar with this brand, Bia. This brand is quite popular in Korea, but I'm not sure many international K-beauty lovers love this brand. There are 3 types of makeup I usually rotate. No, not 3, 4. Let me go through quickly. Peach, warm tone makeup, and orange makeup, rose makeup. One more. Brown makeup. But this is I'm into pink, so. The last but not least, I want to share this blush as well. There you go. Loman D. It's a nice peach color. The name of the product is Peach Chip. I purchased this because Aoi makeup, like peachy and very natural type of makeup, but I realized that doesn't suit me well, and I like my makeup look obvious, especially my cheeks. So I rarely use this. It's a beautiful apricot color. It has definitely white tone in it, but I want to try other colors because it comes in many other colors and the price is quite affordable. If you're looking for like nudish, very natural, like Aoi Yu, the Japanese actress, and if you like peach makeup, you can definitely use one, but the color is very not obvious, so you have to apply this one a lot. So whenever I do peach makeup, I use this one as a base and I apply other blushes like the previous one, the Peripera's one. Where is it? This, because it's more like a peachy type of pink. So I like to use these guys together. Yeah, so these are the blushes I want to share in this video, and feel free to comment down below which one you want to try. Thanks for watching it. If you guys are new, I'm Emma. If you like my vibe and if you like cozy and calming fashion, beauty, styling, those kind of videos, feel free to subscribe so we can have a good time every week. I hope you have a lovely, cozy, and wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.